In a real life for your boy Gideon. In a real life for the ice bus this you know. I pick up people and wipe planes. In a real life. The thing serious so they make so be careful. I bus is for white planes where I pick up people so. You know, be careful right now if you don't have no papers. No do no illegal thing, no jump no turnstile and I go to prison and I go to Jamaica if you don't have no green card, the worst of fear. So no be real careful here, the ice bus that. And the boys them in the train station that round up people, you see? Man them come up with a whole heap of strategy, you see me? The thing sick of the ice bus that, you hear me say? The ice bus. I drive down White Plains Road, just come up from 241st. You see it? Be careful. Gideon a one if a Jamaica will never end up. Big up on yourself and don't know. In a real life man the ice bus that it have a wicked man sir. We have to be careful that it have a wicked man sir. We have to be careful here. Make sure say when you do the right thing, don't jump no turnstile. Watch how now move on street. For now no license no drive no car. Because the boy them a target the car them and make up roadblock them in on 30 something from Bronx to the other day the highway. I pull over people and I do a lot of things, you understand? So, we be careful. Gideon and set out the one because I know some of the ones say we fellow Jamaican and get set home for no foolishness and this nonsense so I go on until they get resolved, you understand? So, big up on yourself when you don't know. Help one to help another, tell one to tell another what. Yo, we be careful, no drive no car, no do certain illegal activity. You understand? If you can look a little part-time job, just look it and go on. Even though we know so they might try to squeeze all the people them we are give and illegal immigrant